I am Kara Stevenson, and for this presentation, I will be discussing the organizational intervention, learning organization. Ultimately, a learning organization is just that, an organization in which all participants operate from a perspective of consistent learning, relearning, and strive for improvement. A true learning organization will embrace change and encourages those who are generally considered to be in a position of power to facilitate a culture of company-wide acquisition of new information and knowledge. It is an open organization that welcomes feedback without fear of retaliation or job security. The organization will operate learning from successes and failures alike and is systems-based due to the collaboration between members of the organization for the overall benefit of building a shared vision. In order to create a learning organization, one of the first steps is to foster an environment that is conducive to learning. Time to reflect and analyze, create strategic plans, dissect customer needs, and assess current work systems must be created by those who are managing or hold the ability to do so. This is where an OD professional can come in handy. Additionally, offering training in brainstorming, problem solving, evaluating experiments, and other core learning skills is vital to beginning this change. Once the overall environment within the organization is more supportive and open, learning forums or programs designed with specific learning goals in mind to help introduce new information and help empower organization members can be implemented. This new knowledge is then incorporated into the organization in a systemic method, interconnecting organization members. The process of an organization becoming a learning organization is known as organizational learning. Some strengths include the reinvention of former work culture and ability to build a more unified, adaptable organization where change is welcomed and celebrated. Additionally, as new and innovative strategies and techniques arise in an ever-changing working world, a learning organization can adjust to new discoveries and stay relevant. This model incorporates learning from past experiences to an organization's advantage, stemming away from failures versus successes. Finally, this intervention integrates system-based thinking, particularly with its focus on interrelationships among organization members. As noted in the text by McLean, some weaknesses of this intervention include the difficulty of changing behavior organization-wide from the bottom to the top. Additionally, some of the research conducted on learning organizations does not demonstrate actual improved performance. A third weakness includes multiple time constraints. A total overhaul of organizational processes, culture, and behaviors can be extremely time-consuming. Lastly, particularly with large organizations that employ thousands of employees or have thousands of members, it can be difficult to get every individual member of the organization on the same page with new innovative learning techniques. One example of a real-life, large-scale organization that incorporated this intervention includes Xerox. Xerox took initiative to integrate learning into the work of its 57,000 employees to improve productivity. Strategies implemented to create a learning organization included brainstorming sessions between the leaders and top executives, utilizing social networking tools, creating a shared company-wide online database known as Wiki, and customizing each employee's learning agenda to fit their needs. This incorporates collaborative, team-based learning by creating continuous opportunities to learn through established systems that can share information collectively. Applying similar concepts from example 1, example 2 is more of a local example. A small organization wants to incorporate learning organization ideals to form the structure of operations and encourage continuous growth and development. Strategies could include encouraging collaboration and team learning through team building activities, hold open dialogue sessions to encourage multi-level feedback, and solidify work culture through sharing organization's vision. As described by Peter Senge, the organizations that will truly excel in the future will be the organizations that discover how to tap people's commitment and capacity to learn at all levels in an organization. If you're interested in learning more, check out these websites.